Namaskar, I am Dayan Gowde, Assistant Professor in Mathematics. Today I will discuss the normal series from a group. Let G be a group. A normal series of G is finite sequence and not n1 dot 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 nk of a normal subgroup of G such that ni is no subgroup of ni plus 1 and n naught is equal to singletony and nk is equal to G. Remark: every normal series of a group G is a subnormal series but not conversely. For this, consider the group G is equal to D4 and D4 is equal to Q0, Q1, Q2 dot 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 Q3, mu1, mu2, delta 1, delta 2, 0, and Q0 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, Q1 is equal to 1 2 2 3 3 4 1 4 1. Q2 is equal to 1 3 2 4 4 3 1 and 4 2 4 2, and Q3 is equal to, rearrange there, mu1 is equal to 1 2 3 4 2 1 4 3, mu2 is equal to 1 2 4 3 2 1, delta 1 is equal to 1 2 3 4 1 3 2 2 3 1 4 4, delta 2 is equal to 1 1 2 4 3 3 4 2. This group D4 is called the group of symmetries of a square. The series D4 given by singleton Q0 is a subgroup of singleton Q1. Mu1 is subgroup of singleton Q0. Q2 U1 mu1 mu2 is a subgroup of D4. Is a subnormal series, but it is not a normal series as Q1 divide U1 is not a normal subgroup of D4. As every subnormal of an abelian group is a normal, every subnormal series in an abelian group will be a normal series. Thus, the two concepts of normal and subnormal series coincide in an abelian group. 0 single 24 6 Z 26 Z less than 13 Z less than Z, and 0 singleton 0 less than 14 Z less than 7 Z less than Z has are normal series in group Z plus. Definition: let Ni be a normal series of group G. Then the normal series Kj of group G is a refinement of the normal series Ni if Ni is a subset of Kj and Ni is equal to Kj for each Nj. Definition: example for normal series. The normal series singleton 0 less than 74Z less than 24Z less than 8Z less than 4Z less than Z is a refinement of the normal series, and singleton 0 less than 72Z less than 8Z less than Z is an abelian group Z plus. Two normal series Ni and Ni Kj of group G are said to be isomorphic there exists a one-to-two correspondence between the collection of factors groups hi plus 1 divided by hi and kj plus 1 divided by kj, so that the corresponding factors groups are abelian. The two normal series singleton 0 less than singleton 5, the generator of 5 less than z15, and singleton 0 less than generator of 3 less than z15 in a group z15 are isomorphic. Definition: a normal series Ni of a group G is a principal if all the factor groups Ni plus 1 divided by Ni are simple. Properties of normal series. Uh, Two normal series of a group G are isomorphic. Serge's theorem. Every finite group G has at least one principal series. Any two proper series of a group G are isomorphic. Jolder-Holder theorem. If a group G has a principal series and if N is a proper normal subgroup of G, then there exists a principal series in G containing N. Next, ascending central series. Thus, the center of a group G is the set X belongs to G such that Xg is equal to Gx for all that G belongs to G. The center of a group G is necessarily denoted by Z or Z of G. As E belongs to Z of G is not equal to pi, and Z of G, coordinate of Z of G greater or equal to 1. G is abelian. Z of G is equal to G. Z of G always a normal subgroup of G. Ascending central series. Let Z of G denote the center of group G and Z of G normal in G. The quotient group G by Z of G is defined. Consider canonical map, natural map F from Z to Z, G by Z of G. Then F is an onto homomorphism. Z of G by Z of G. Z of G by Z of G is a normal subgroup of the group G by Z of G, and F inverse of Z of G by Z of G is a normal subgroup of G containing Z of G. Denote this Z1 of G. Thus we have singletony is subgroup of Z of G is subgroup of Z1 of G is subgroup of G. Now Z1 of G is normal in G. Hence the quotient group G by Z1 of G is defined. Consider the canonical natural map F1 from G to G by Z1 of G is a homomorphism. Therefore, Z of G by Z1 of G is a normal subgroup of Z by G by Z1 of G, and F inverse of Z of G by Z1 of G is a normal subgroup of G and denoted by Z2 of G. Thus, continuing in this process, we can construct a sequence of normal subgroup of G and Z of G, Z1 of G, Z2 of G such that singletony is normal in Z of G, is normal in Z1 of G, is normal in Z2 of G, dot dot dot. Thus, this series is called ascending central series of the group G. Find the ascending central of a central group for S3 for D4. G is equal to S3 and z of g is equal to singleton I, where I is the identity map. Hence, the ascending central series of S3 is singleton I is subgroup of singleton I is subgroup of G is equal to D4, Z of G is equal to rho naught, rho 2, where rho naught is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, rho 2 is equal to 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, 2. Then D4 divided by Z of D4 is equal to 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4, and Z of D4 divided by Z of D4 is less equal 5. Therefore, d4 divided by z of d4 is abelian, and hence z of d4 divided by z of d4 is equal to d4 divided by z of d4. From d4 divided by z of d4 to d4 divided by z of d4 be a canonical mapping, F being on to F inverse from d4 divided by z of d4 is equal to d4. Thus, the ascending central series is d4 is singleton row 1 is a subgroup of row 1, row 2 is subgroup of d4 is subgroup of d4, and so on.